Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel, iTech Explore. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist in YouTube. If you're a content creator, it's important to make a playlist because it improves watch time. Playlists can help your viewers to just automatically click on the next video. This is also good for channels who has different topics. So you are going to make a different playlists as well. So for example, if you're having tutorials with YouTube, Canva, or Facebook, so you're going to have the playlist for the YouTube tutorials, for Canva tutorials, and for Facebook tutorials. It will also increase subscriber trust. If a viewer can visit your channel and will see that your channel is organized with those playlists, then it shows you are professional with your content. And lastly, it will encourage the viewers to watch the next videos that you created. So now let's dive in. So first thing we need to do is to open your YouTube channel. Click on manage videos in the channel content interface. So we have here on the top inspiration videos, shorts, your live, your posts, and here's the playlist. So just click on this. We didn't create any playlist yet because this is a new channel. Now let's create one. So just click here, new playlist, enter our title. So we're going to put description of our playlist. This is just what your playlist is all about. You can enter up to 5,000 characters here. So set the visibility to public. Then choose existing videos to add to your playlist. So we can add videos here. Let's check all the Canva tutorials to add into our playlist. So now let's check done. Then we already have 11 videos for Canva for beginners tutorials. Click create. Alright, so here is already our playlists. Now if you want to add more playlists, if we click here, we cannot create any more. So what are we going to do is just go right here beside your profile at the right, click create. Now here's the new playlist. So click on that, make another playlist. Add videos here. Alright, just click done. Great. So I think that's it for today's video. I know that a lot of us know this one already, especially for those who are content creators, but this video are for those who are just starting to make their own YouTube channel and are not familiar yet with the features of YouTube. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!